Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys I'm basically going to be showing you guys the new update and going over it for 99 Days in the Forest. And let's get straight into the video. So this is a pretty small update, and the main thing that has been added are two new classes. And basically what what these classes are is, one of them is going to be the Brute class, which basically just has a Brute shield. And it also which spawns like with the damage reducing shield. It could also taunt enemies. Now level 2 and level 3, level 2 is going to be enemies deal reduced damage, and then level 3 is basically it becomes an Obsid Iron Shield, and then can now charge and create shockwaves. Now the other new class is going to be Explorer, and this is going to come with a compass and a map, and basically just going to be for exploring, obviously. So the cool thing is that you can see chests through walls when you're near them, and the chest also does open faster, and that does look like the only two new classes. So yeah, that should basically be it. Again, this is a pretty small update. There were obviously a small bug fixes as well, but next week's update should be very big. It should be the Christmas update, so be tuned for that. So yeah, that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.